Hello everyone, welcome to Kumari's home cooking. Today's recipe is going to be shrimp noodle soup. In Malaysia they do this. I'm doing it in Canada. It's called prawn mee. Prawn is shrimp, mee is noodle. Okay, I have some peeled shrimp and all this skin of this shrimp. I'm gonna make a soup with that. Garlic and onion. I'm gonna blend with the dried chili paste. I have some. This is for garnish, green onion, and this is dried. This is a shrimp paste, and it was a paste, and I dry roasted it, and I keep it so it lasts longer. And this is the rock sugar. I'm gonna put in the soup base. I'm gonna put in the soup, okay? And I have 2 packets of noodles. Egg noodle, yellow egg noodle, yeah. And I'm gonna fry these onions. This is about 2 large onions. I'm gonna really fry it for garnish. And I have some anchovies, dried shrimp. I soaked it for 2 hours. This is the dried chili paste. I always keep ready. And this is white pepper. Okay, I'm going to blend the onion, garlic and the chili paste with the dried shrimp over here. Okay, and I have 3 pieces of chicken pieces to make soup with the shrimp skins. Okay, here I'm going to blend all this. This is the dried shrimp. I'm going to make a sambal. Sambal is like a paste with the chili and everything. Those who like spicy can add. I'm going to add this chili paste, or you can use dried chili, the whole dried chili. Since I have made a paste, I'm going to add about 4 to 5 tablespoons. I kept it in the freezer so it looks hard. The paste is ready. We will cook it later, and we go with the soup first. For the yellow noodle, I'm going to put in hot water for 1 minute and take it out so that it will be cooked well. And I'm still going to cook it again while I'm going to do the finishing. Or else you can just put in hot water and just rinse it. That's much better. Okay, I rinsed with hot water. I had boiled water. Just pour it for 1 minute. Keep it for 1 minute and just pour it out. Okay, the oil is very hot. Now I'm going to put the shrimp and cook for a few minutes. I have to cook it quickly because the pot was very hot. So I add in 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil to fry this shrimp skin and head and everything, and then cook for 2 minutes. And I'm going to throw in the water and the chicken and make it a soup. This is kind of a little bit of frying kind because I throw in oil and then I'm just cooking it. And once it's cooked in by 2 minutes, and then we can put in the chicken. Okay, so now I'm going to put the chicken in. You can put any part of the chicken. I only have this. Chicken breast is very good, and chicken bones are also good. And we will cook this. Depends how many people you guys cooking, so you can reduce or increase the amount. Here I'm throwing in almost about 10 cups of water. You need to cook and I'm going to remove everything once it's cooked. Okay, I will be throwing out the skin, and I'll be keeping the chicken to garnish. I'm going to shred the pieces. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of salt, or less a bit, because I'm using fish sauce like 4 tablespoons. And a light soya sauce also. It's up to you. If you don't want the sauce, you can just cook with the chicken, because it will be tasty when you don't add in the sauce. But I'm just adding because I want a little bit tasty. And 1 teaspoon of white pepper, and let it cook for like maybe 40 minutes, 45 minutes. Okay, we will wait. Okay, I'm going to fry the onion. The oil is hot. I'm going to fry it till it's really crispy. We will wait. It takes about 5 minutes. Okay, the soup is going to boil. Onion is still frying. Okay, I'm going to add the anchovies to cook. It tastes good when you add more anchovies or chicken bones. It tastes really good. Okay, we wait for another 25 minutes. Onions are almost cooked. Okay, I'm going to take it out. Okay, in the same oil, I'm going to cook the chili paste here with all the dried shrimp, onion, garlic. Cook it until the oil come out through the paste. It takes about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to add the shrimp paste, 1 tablespoon. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon or 3/4 teaspoon will do, because the shrimp is salty. I'm going to add sugar too, 2 tablespoons sugar. Okay, the soup is almost done. Okay, let me take the chicken out first, and then I'm going to filter the soup so that I can remove the shrimp head. I have boiled 1 egg in here for the garnishing. Okay, we will wait. So now you guys can see the oil coming out from there. It's almost done. And then I'm going to take it out in 2 minutes. Okay, I'm going to put in the shrimp on that pot which I took out the paste. Leave a little bit of the chili paste. This is for garnishing the shrimp. I'm going to cook this 2 minutes, or maybe 1.5 minutes. Okay, I removed everything, the chicken and the shrimp skin, and I'm going to add the crystal sugar, like 2 tablespoons. And I'm going to add the cooked shrimp paste in here, like 4 tablespoons. And then boil it for a few seconds. Okay, here I'm boiling the water. I'm going to cook the noodle and the Chinese veggie. Okay. Here is the noodle. You have to cook it again. And I'm going to cook with this veggie here. Cook it for 1 minute. Let it boil. It's cooked now. Let's see the ending. Okay, I'm removing it and I'm going to put it in the bowl. Wow, don't they look nice? I'm going to put some eggs. I'm going to put this shrimp here. It's really delicious. I'm going to throw in the soup. Be nice. I love it. And some chili with green onions. Just sprinkle green onion. And the fried onions too. Look at that. It's so delicious. It looks nice. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Take care.